Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of outdoor gear that can really enhance your adventures, the 50W Portable Solar Panel Kit, a foldable solar charger that's perfect for camping trips, RV travel, and outdoor activities. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 50W Portable Solar Panel Kit? This solar charger is designed with high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon cells that convert sunlight into usable power. With a steady output, this panel supports a variety of devices and power stations, making it a reliable energy source whether you're out in the wild or facing an emergency power situation. One of the standout features of this solar panel is its portability. The two-fold design allows for easy storage and transport. Whether you're throwing it in your car trunk, RV storage, or camping gear, it's compact enough not to take up much room. Plus, it comes with a built-in handle, making it super convenient to carry around. When it comes to charging options, this solar charger has you covered. It includes USB-A, USB-C, and DC ports, providing flexible compatibility with a range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to cameras and power banks. The kit even comes with DC adapter tips to accommodate different input sizes for a broader range of compatibility. Durability is key for outdoor gear, and this solar panel doesn't disappoint. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The high transmittance tempered glass helps resist rain, dust, and scratches, making it a practical choice for camping, RV trips, and even marine use. If you're into van life, cabins, or off-grid living, this solar panel can be a game-changer for your power needs. One of the best things about the 50W Portable Solar Panel Kit is its user-friendly design. There's no complicated setup required. Just unfold the panel, position it toward direct sunlight, and connect your device or power station. The adjustable kickstands allow you to optimize sunlight capture, ensuring you get the best possible charge. This solar panel is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, or anyone who needs a reliable power source away from traditional outlets. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, having this portable solar charger can keep your devices powered and ready to go. In summary, the 50W Portable Solar Panel Kit is a versatile and essential tool for anyone who loves the outdoors or needs an emergency backup power source. With its portability, durability, and multiple charging options, it's designed to meet the demands of modern life while allowing you to enjoy nature without sacrificing power. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.